My name is Anatoliy Kalujniy. I'm third generation of evangelical Christian in Ukraine. My grandfather brings this faith from America in early 90s. But right now I'm a pastor of New Life Church. We have 1,200 members in our church, plus this church started more than 150 churches around Ukraine. And I'm very active in our church, very active in social area and also in different areas of life of Ukraine. And we pray a lot about Ukraine. We would like to see our country with full of democracy, freedom and faith.
Yeah. You were saying earlier that you as a church leader were very involved in the Orange Revolution a few years ago. Do you want to say more about that?
Yeah, it's interesting. You know, our church just across the street here, and when we had the election at that time in 2004, we had service in third floor. In second floor, it was a step for Yushchenko, who was candidate from opposition at that time. And because of this, we was very close to each other. And number two, we just think it was not a question of politics, it was a question of morale, because corruption was very strong. And because of this, church, any church, we had very big fasting, prayer, a lot of meetings about before revolution. And when it's happened, I was forced with my family to stay there. In front of this independent square of Ukraine. And I know many churches, many denominations was involved, and some Christian make some kind of food and feed people on the square. Some churches let people to stay during the night time. For example, in my office every day stay maybe 30 people. Some people put just 10 Christians, some churches put tent in the square, and 24 hours per day during the month and a half they pray about the future of Ukraine. And most important, maybe you never saw it in CNN news, every day during the revolution time from 9 to 10 in the main square, Independence Square, we had special prayer meeting where was involved different kind of Christian and churches and leaders. I was many days there, and 3 times I preached in front of 500,000 people.
In the revolution.
In the revolution, yeah, and I have picture, I have video, I have all of this. And it's interesting, I remember when I talked to people and people scanned Yushchenko. I talked to them, Yushchenko, he is a just person who cannot help you. You have to scan Jesus, and I never forget this, how this 500,000 people scan Jesus. It was very special feeling, and we pray a lot. And it was very interesting because Orthodox, Baptist, Pentecostal, Charismatic, Greek Catholic, all together we pray, and we didn't feel any kind of difficulties or problem between us, because we had just one big need. We would like to see Ukraine with freedom and out of corruption.
Oh, it's been a pleasure meeting you. Thank you very much.
God bless you.